Hello, this is Sarah speaking.
Hi Sarah, this is Rahul calling from ABC Solutions. I wanted to discuss the project deliverables before our quarterly sync tomorrow.
I'm sorry, Rahul. Could you please repeat that? I want to make sure I understand correctly.
Of course, I said, can we talk about the project work before our meeting tomorrow?
Oh, absolutely. That works perfectly for me.
Great. Also, I need you to reschedule the onboarding, coordinate with HR, update the tracker, and send a summary email, all before the meeting.
I'm sorry. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? I want to note everything down.
Sure, sorry about that. So, first, reschedule the onboarding session to Thursday.
Got it. Thursday. And the rest?
Then coordinate with HR about the new joinees, update the project tracker, and send a summary email to the team.
Perfect. I've noted it all down.
Also, Sarah, can you forward the report to the team by end of day?
I'm sorry, Rahul. The line isn't very clear. Could you repeat the last part?
Yes. Please forward the project report to the whole team by 5 p.m. today.
Got it. I'll do that right away.
And one more thing. Let's circle back on the budget discussion after the stand up.
Just to confirm, you mean we'll discuss the budget again after the morning meeting tomorrow?
Exactly, yes.
Perfect. I'll talk to you then, Rahul. Have a good day.
You too, Sarah. Bye.
Bye.